Hi, I'm Christine. I'm from 8th grade class. This video was made to fulfill the final summative semester 2023-2024 academic year. This video is entitled How to Operate a Blender. First, make sure you have a blender. Second, prepare your blender. Don't forget to open the blender lid. Third, prepare the ingredients you want to blend. After that, put the ingredients into the blender. Don't forget to close the blender lid. Then, plug the blender cable into the outlet. After that, you just have to press the speed button on the blender. When it's finished, all you have to do is press the 0 button on the blender and the blender will stop. Don't forget to unplug the blender and voila! You can operate a blender. Thank you for watching!